So this is the turn onto the street, and this is an actual cul-de-sac, so there's no through traffic here. Very quiet, secluded location. Cute houses. I mean, not a bad street at all. I actually like it. There's a little mobile home there on the right. You can see our property up here on the right. You can see the opening right there on the right side of the property. Now remember, the bank just got this back, so they've not been able to do anything legally to it yet, like get rid of any of the debris or garbage or trash, clean up the yard, nothing like that. So they just got it back, and just the cost alone to trash this thing out. I mean, there's debris. Look, there's a TV. There's debris, garbage, and junk everywhere on this property. And wait till you see the pool. Now, according to the neighbor that I met, he said crackheads lived here and they destroyed the property. He said they burnt the mobile home down, they burnt the garage down. This is where the garage used to be. I'll show you a quick little aerial view from the county website, but there used to be a detached garage here. The slab's there for it. There's a huge concrete slab here behind the property with an in-ground pool. But it's not really a pool, it's more of a garbage dump. I mean, that's unbelievable. I mean, that's just crazy. And this particular bank, I actually have no idea what they're going to do. If they're going to auction this property, if they're going to trash it out, they're going to sell it as is. I have no idea what they'll do. I mean, this is lot value only. I doubt seriously that they're going to do anything as far as spend the money to demo this property, bulldoze it, clear the lot. I mean, that would be great, but I just can't see them doing that because that's not going to be cheap either. It's such a big lot. There's so much stuff. And just wait. I mean, this is the inside. This is how bad they burnt the inside of this property. I mean, they destroyed this thing. And this was a two-bedroom, I think it was a two-bedroom, one bath mobile home, around 1,400 something square feet. But the neighbor said months ago the property was in really good shape. It looked nice. There was none of this crap out there, none of this stuff left behind. But all in the last several months, the tenants or occupants or hoarders, crackheads as he called them, destroyed the property. And of course, the bank has no idea what they're getting um, when they send out the agent to do their official reports, occupancy reports. I mean, they have no idea if the property's still standing, if it's there, if it's in great condition, it's bad condition. I mean, you know, go back and report that this property is so bad that it's basically a tear down because it's been burnt so bad on the inside. Not to mention, I'm pretty sure they stole all the copper. I saw some holes in some of the walls. It looks like they ripped out the copper. Um, yeah, I'm sure they got a lot of money for that, but just not worth it. But this is the crazy thing about real estate, though. I mean, one minute you're in a property like this that is just pure junk. I mean, pure crap. The next minute, I'm walking in a beach condo, $500,000 condo. That's one of the benefits and beauties of living on the Gulf Coast. We got it all around here. You've got your mobile homes, you've got your land, you've got your junk, then you've got your nice, homes, waterfront homes. Um, Really interesting area. But this is not a bad location at all. It's really convenient to Interstate I-10. Um, it's in Milton, Florida, north of I-10, but not that far in Milton, so it's very easy to jump on the interstate. So they left some boats here, and as an REO agent, boats are probably one of the most aggravating things to be left behind because they're much harder to get rid of because nobody wants them on their landfills. Nobody wants to take them and store them because they take up space. So they basically need to be just all cut up and hauled off and thrown in the dumpster somewhere, landfill. But they're just not as easy to deal with. I hate boats on properties. Very aggravating. I would really be curious to know what the cost to clean up this lot is going to be. Um, how easy it will be to fill in the pool. I mean, with all that debris and garbage in there. I mean, just look. I mean, they've almost got the thing filled up with crap. It's mind blowing. I'd also like to know what the trash out bill is going to be if they decide to trash this out. Now, some of these banks and servicers will leave these properties sitting just like they are. The problem is that sooner or later, code enforcement is going to get involved, like this property. I'm surprised neighbors haven't already called code enforcement to have them come out there and start, the process with, start doing some fines and stuff and notifying, the seller that this got to be cleaned up. But here's the end of the street. I mean, really cute houses. Like I said, location's not bad at all. Nice little quiet cul-de-sac with no through traffic. So there you go. If you have any questions, just please let me know. As always, I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.